Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA ke BJP upa Alexander Al-Haq ubalongru Menteri Sarkar Jala ula Takraiñ ya Chief Advisor jang Sarkar Bashipur kari Bangladesh Muhammad Yunus haraka jing tuklar ya uput usam jong ki Jala kat khan chatai lamingi kari India haka jing ni jengo ka ba South ngi ya kari China kumban pentip hang ni mau Yunus ula ong bagi nyau teli ki Jala jong kari India ki badan nak banta mingi jong kari India laju khot kum ki Seven Sister kidai ki than yang kari India ki bamdan lat ban poi shadu riau ba ka Bangladesh ka dikan nongda ya ka du riau nak banta ka than kani ka ple ya ka lat ka bakhrau ya ka yo ka kot jong ka China haba kan tho ya kani uba hek loong pa ka sarkar kan ailat ya kinu ki bor ki panabar bantuklar ya ka kam jong kari India kam tam ya ki than chate lamingi.
Anybody talking against the nations, it cannot be tolerated, number one. Anybody. That also people from outside. People from inside also cannot be tolerated. How will tolerate the people from outside? Just tell me. We cannot tolerate them. So whatever to what our country, maybe northeast or maybe any part of state of the country, it is the duty of our country only to look after the welfare of all the states and also the citizens. We don't want the people from outside, except only the government of India asking for any kind of facilities or any kind of help. That is the international issue. We have nothing to do with it. Within the state, within the country, it is our state and our country to look after for all the welfare of the state and all the interests of the people of the state. We will not allow this to any outside force to interfere with our country, particularly also for the Northeast. Why should we allow this to interfere by people from outside? So many letters has gone. Why should we write? We are living very peacefully here. If we have any problem from any external force, then only we'll write. There's no such kind of the external forces to attack our state. Why should we write now? Why should we write at this juncture?